How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the easy way to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch WhatsApp app on a device. Make sure to update and log into your particular account on WhatsApp. Now open any particular conversation where you want to delete the copied messages in WhatsApp. Now suppose let me tap and hold a particular message here and tap on three dots at top right corner and tap the copy button. Once the message has been copied, tap on the message at the bottom of the screen and then you have seen your copied messages. Simply you need to open the clipboard and then you can easily tap and hold the particular copied message. Or if you don't find that way, you can tap on the four dots on this keyboard at the left corner of the screen and you have to tap on it and you will see different kinds of options like stickers, GIF, clipboard. So let's select the clipboard and under recent you will see the copied message. Simply you need to long press on this particular message and then a pop-up message appears where you can see the delete option. Tap delete option and the message has been already deleted. That is how we delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.